In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import photos in Gimp. If you're new to Gimp, importing photos is one of the first things you'll want to learn. And the good news is that it's very simple. There are a few different ways to do it, depending on whether you want to open one image, bring in multiple images, or quickly drag a file into your workspace. I'll walk you through each option so you can choose the method that works best for you. To begin, launch Gimp on your computer. Once the program is open, go to the File menu at the top left, then click Open. This will bring up your file browser, where you can navigate to the folder that contains the photo you want to import. Once you find your image, click to select it, and then click Open. Gimp will load that photo into a new project window. This is the best method if you just want to work on a single image by itself. If you want to edit multiple photos in the same project, there's a better option. Start by opening Gimp, then either create a new project or open an existing one. After that, go to File and choose Open as Layers. In the file browser, select one or more photos, then click Open. Gimp will import each image as a separate layer inside the same project. This is especially useful if you're making a collage combining images or doing layered edits, because each photo can be moved, resized, and edited independently without affecting the others. There's also a faster method you can use: drag and drop. Open Gimp first, then locate your photo in your computer's file manager. On Windows, that's File Explorer, and on Mac, it's Finder. Click and drag the photo into the Gimp window, then release your mouse button. Depending on where you drop the file, Gimp will either open the image as a brand new project or add it as a new layer in the current project. So if you're already working on something, pay attention to where you drop the image. That's really all there is to it. To quickly recap, use File and then Open for a single image. Open as Layers when you want multiple images in one project, and drag and drop for the fastest import method. Once your photo is in Gimp, you're ready to start editing right away.